no gender role means it shouldn't be the society to tell us what roles we should play based on our gender. We shouldn't shame someone for the career or profession they choose just because it's not conventional for their gender.
It's okay for a woman to have hairy arms and facial hair. They shouldn't be mocked because of that.
Paternity leaves should be normalized. It's not about taking over the mommy duties, it's about being a parent.
We are heavily influenced by the florid trend of having totally flawless skin from the social media. Having pimples, blemishes, or patches is quite normal, but comparing oneself with the influencers or celebrities can lead to low self esteem, encouraging body dysmorphia, and can also lead to eating disorders since people tend to listen more to the celebrities rather than a nutritionist or a dermatologist. So, it's time that we normalize different skin textures.
People's mindset to not take women in power seriously and constantly questioning and criticizing their decisions, unlike men, needs to change.
When a male decides to be a homemaker, he is not at all supported by the society or even his own friends. Being a homemaker is a personal choice and it should not be overlooked. No matter what the society says, it's one of the toughest jobs, regardless of the monetary benefits obtained from other jobs.
A woman asking questions to men is still not acceptable in our society. It's high time we should implement it.
Sexual assaults on males can happen in any public areas like schools, public transports, or in their private space. Despite knowing the consequences of sexual assault, the legislation has failed to enact over any such law that protects men from these violations.
It's a norm in most of the households that despite anyone's ability, it is the woman who will take charge of the kitchen. Normalize women not knowing how to cook.
Men are not beyond being humans. Normalize them crying and expressing their emotions.
This trend is for women who are not slim or curved. They often find that their body type is not represented well in the mainstream media. All bodies are beautiful, even if they are round, but the society considers everything other than slim to be fat. Women should be given equal wages for the same amount of work as men do.
Pampering yourself is self care, and that has nothing to do with one's gender. Both men and women should be allowed to stay outside as long as their work permits. This shouldn't affect their work and progress. Also, we need to make the environment outside a lady's home feasible at the night hours so that she can comfortably work for as long as she wants without thinking of any adverse effects and refraining herself from working more so as to get home soon. The younger generation is very insecure about their face. They think putting on makeup makes them look prettier and their bare face is ugly. We should start realizing that makeup is just an accessory and we are still beautiful with or without makeup.
Usually, a man is considered as the bread owner of the house, but a woman can also equally run the house. Women are often advised not to talk about their periods, but periods are natural and there should not be any fear or shame in talking about it.